Hi everyone, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am on the main South Coast Road, 3 miles southwest of Mandeville, and I know that you're going to tell me which community I am heading to. I am heading to the community of Spur Tree Hill. What I want you to do is just to relax, sit, enjoy, and then we are going to do a quick tour of Spur Tree Hill. To get one of the most spectacular view in Jamaica, I want you to travel to Spur Tree Hill, and Spur Tree Hill is located in Manchester, Jamaica.
Come and chat with Tania.
Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Spur Tree Hill has one of the most striking, eye-catching, breathtaking, and as I said earlier, spectacular view. I am viewing of the plains of Saint Elizabeth Parish in Jamaica. If you look down, you can see small dots. Those dots are small towns. This is simple telling you that I am standing in the parish of Manchester on a mountain. The Spur Tree Hill road zigzags down the length of the steep Don Figueroa Mountains. And as I said earlier, I am viewing the plains of Saint Elizabeth in the country of Jamaica. The Alpart aluminum plant is centered in the middle of the view, and if it was still in operation, you would see smoke rising from the chimneys of the aluminum plants. What a beautiful country, what a beautiful place to stand and to look and to see. And currently what I'm doing, I'm just looking around just to, enjoy the beauty of the country and what the hill entails. So we're looking down below, you're seeing the dots. Those dots are small communities in the plains of Saint Elizabeth, Jamaica. You're looking at one of the beautifulest parish down below. The two parishes are wonderful, but you have to go down the hill to get to one, and you have to come up the hill to get to the other. The time, it is very cool. All of a sudden, I am just getting this heavy breeze, and it's blowing really rough. So let us just enjoy the breeze, the birds, the view, the eye-catching, the breathtaking, and as I said earlier, the spectacular view. Let us just enjoy as the breeze take me away. Spur Tree Hill soon, so I want you to relax and enjoy the ride with me. So in the meantime, let us just take in a little bit more of this fresh air that we're getting, and just look on the other side of the road. You can see the clouds, the breeze blowing, and how wonderful viewing from this angle is. It is just wonderful. So let us just make preparation to go down the hill. Okay, so let us talk a little bit about Spur Tree Hill. This road that we're driving on, it is the home to several small restaurants. So while going down, you will see a lot of small restaurants, and most of them, they specialize in jerk food. So when I say jerk food, they would have jerk pork, jerk chicken, jerk pork and chicken is the main ones that they will have, but they have other options such as curry goat and fried chicken and your regular rice and peas or roast breadfruit or roast yam and saltfish. And you will also get soup, like you will have persons on the road, they will be selling their cup of soup. So Spur Tree Hill is very attractive and it caters to your needs, so you will always have something to eat on your way down, right? Now Spur Tree Hill is very scenic, and it is a good option if you're looking to break up your journey with a food stop. So when you're coming down, you don't have to stop into the Mandeville town to get something to eat. You will know that something will be available for you on Spur Tree Hill. And as I go down, you can see the breathtaking view. It is very wonderful. It is awesome. Now let me just tell you a little bit about Spur Tree. Spur Tree is believed to be named after the giant cotton trees which used to adorn the area, billowing out plumes of spurs into the air. And when you're coming down on Spur Tree Hill, I just have to give you a little bit of warning, because the zigzagging steep road, it is very zigzagging. So when you're going down, you zigzag, you know, it's taking you left, right, left, right, left, right. So you have to hold on to your steering wheel closely or tightly, because you don't want to lose control of the vehicle. So you have to be careful going down on the hill. So what I was saying now, the zigzagging road, or this steep road, you know, this area that I'm passing now, it is an accident hotspot right in this area that you're looking at now. It's an accident hotspot area. So when you're going down this section, the three-way road, you just have to be extremely careful. You have to be very careful. So I was saying that the zigzagging on the steep road, on this road here, if you are driving here, then please drive carefully, right? When you're driving on Spur Tree Hill, especially the truck drivers, you have to drive very careful, because they're prone to lose control of the vehicle, and accidents happen regularly. So it is a road that, even though you're enjoying the scene, the views, the beauty, everything, you just have to be extremely careful on the road. Especially the trucks, they have to be careful. They have to drive slowly down. And the ones that now, in most cases, that are speeding, in most cases you will see accidents where they roll over the hill, or you know, or something of that nature would happen, right? So I am saying all of this to say to you that you have to stay within your speed limit. For now, I am going 40 miles per hour, so I'm going really slow, even though it seems as if I'm going fast, but I'm really going slow. But you have to stay within the speed limit. I don't know the speed limit currently, but I know that I should take my time on this road because it is a road that I know, it is a road that I travel on, and the experiences on the road, you will have accidents and so on. But remember that it is a great place. As I go though, I just passed a restaurant, and I said before that the Spur Tree caters to your needs when it comes on to food. So if you're going down Spur Tree Hill, don't think about what are you going to eat. Just say, which one of these restaurants should I stop and eat? So you have to say it like that, right? Now, if you want to admire the view, right, while going down, it is recommended, look at that view right there. There's another view when I'm taking that zigzag, that windy road right there. Now, if it's a case where you want to admire the view, it is recommended that you stop the car at one of the many restaurants along the way, and you can treat yourself to some chicken while you're there. So don't drive and look at the view. Don't drive and look at what is happening. You can, but it is recommended that you stop at some of the lookout spots that are there. The restaurants they have great lookout spots, and while you're going down you can see ahead of you. But if it's a case where you're going to take your eyes off the road to look somewhere else, or to look over the hill, or to see what is happening down below, it is not recommended. So my recommendation is that you stop and just enjoy the view while you are eating, or you're having a great time with someone, or discussing with someone. What I want you to experience also is the night view, the night vision. While going down the hill, in the night, it is a beauty. It is just great to look at the sightseeings in the night with all the lights that are down below. And the Alpart aluminum plant, it is currently not operating. But while it was operating, you could have looked down below and then you would have seen all the lights. But now when you do look down, you see lights, but you don't see all the lights that you would have seen if it was in operation. And as I said before, you don't see the smoke. So driving down Spur Tree Hill, it is breathtaking. It is one of those eye-catching, it is a striking, it is just spectacular as I take my time to go down. And you just have to be careful, as I said before, because the drivers, when they're going down this hill, let me tell you, they don't slow down, they speed. Most of them, not all of them, they speed, but you maintain control of your vehicle and ensure all goes well. Now I am going down. I am almost at the end of the hill, and I am enjoying the view as I go along. I'm enjoying the view. I am checking out the restaurants. I am checking out the many spots that I can stop and take a view or take a picture, or just relax and enjoy myself while going down. So you can figure out your own rest stops, your own rest areas where you want to stop and relax. So it is good. So let us just do a quick recap now. So I am down now, coming down into Saint Elizabeth, because I just left Manchester, and Spur Tree Hill is located on the top of Manchester. So I am traveling down, and as you can see the wonderful view as I come down. And the dots that I was seeing when I was at the top of the hill, those dots are not visible anymore. What I am currently seeing are the houses, we're seeing the buildings, we're seeing structures, we're seeing all of those things because the dots, they're not visible. And we were seeing the dots before. And as you come down now, you will see the alpar, the aluminum plant. It would be a little bit more bigger. So it is not that like small as it was before, because we're coming down and we're almost at the bottom of the hill. All right, so I am now in on my way, and I am almost in Saint Elizabeth, just a little tip. By the time I reach around the corner, I can say that I made it to Saint Elizabeth safely down Spur Tree Hill. And it was a great experience coming down, and I am happy to share the journey with you. And I do hope that you had enjoyed the ride while I come down. And I enjoy the experience all the time. The experience is good. And if you're ever contemplating where to go, you can always come to Spur Tree Hill. You can always stop at those wonderful view areas. You can take your pictures. You can relax. And yay, I am in beautiful Saint Elizabeth. Now guys, what I am going to say, remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. It was a great experience sharing my ride with you. Little more.